To combine the class of category and book, we need a new class for that. These combined classes are called ViewModels. You can call them anything, but the standard is to call them ViewModels. So let's create a folder for them. So in our book GUI, I'm going to create another folder, which I will call ViewModels. And inside, I'm going to create a class. And I'll just call the class CategoryBooks ViewModel. So here's my newly created class, CategoryBooks ViewModel. And here, I just need to create properties that we will need in order to use them in the combined view. So obviously, we still need the category, so I will need a category object, but not a full object, just a DTO. So let's create an object of type category DTO property. And I will call it category. And it's simply get and set. Now the category DTO, we need to bring in the namespace, which is in book API project.dtos. And the next thing we want here is the books that belong to this category. So obviously, since one category can belong to multiple books, this is going to be a collection. So I'll create a property of type IEnumerable, and it's going to be type book DTO. And I'll call this one books. And this is all we need for our view. We will display the category, which is going to be the details for the category, and then we will display the books for this category in the view. So let's go back to the categories controller and finish coding the action.